Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. This is Mel again, and we have another unboxing to do. So it's one of the coins that I bought uh, recently, and yeah, we'll see what this one. So okay, see, see it's yeah been mailed. I just don't wanna turn it because my info is over there, like address and so make it a little bit private. Oh, okay, yeah, this one is wow. So I pictured this coin or one of this coin a few weeks back. I think uh, this is the 2 pence from 1797, and yeah, a few weeks back I pictured one of these coins, and then after that I see another one for sale. Okay, so uh, I didn't actually buy it at first, but afterwards it was offered to me. So it is for a reasonable price. So I did bought it. Uh, it's a very nice one. So this is the 1797 2 pence from the reign of King George III. As we can see, his portrait here and the uh, legend surrounding it. George III, by the grace of God, King, and of course the seated Britannia, and you can also see a ship on the side there. I think yeah, that's the ship, and you see the Britannia legend up above. Below is the date 1797. So this is a very big coin, a heavy coin. If I remember, the diameter is around uh, 41 millimeters, and it is also thick and big. And this is the largest and the heaviest coin that were circulated in the United Kingdom, the 2 pence 1797, and they stopped this one. So this is only done or only minted in 1797, and they only minted 720,000 of this coin, and yeah, it's very nice to have another one. So I have two of this coin now. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. And I have more to share actually. I have more coins to share to you for you to watch. I yeah, just haven't had the time recently, so I will try to do more videos. So thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.